Basta ginaya niya ako. Di ba, babe? Ginaya mo ako?
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Good morning, mga Zoogs. Kakagising lang namin. Uy! Si Mimi umutot. Baliw ka, Mimi. So guys, today is Monday. Ano bang gawin namin? Yan, mag-gym ako. Magre-ready na ako agad mag-gym dahil marami ata kaming gagawin ngayon. Kahapon hindi na kami nakapag-gym ni Andy dahil it's been a long day. So, nag-rest kami. Yes, Mimi. Come on, Mimi.
Oh, yeah.
You did it! Okay, maghahanda na akong pagkain ni Mimi. No more milk? Ari kami. Maybe I'm making you egg. Ayan, alam niyo ba guys, ito yung bago kong binili ulit na pangtulog. Ano to? Ibang kulay naman. So yan, habang nagluluto, nag-work, dami tayong mga messages from Bigo. So, ayan. Itong pagluluto ko ng egg, guys, napanood ko to. Dahil sinento ni Andy, napanood niya sa isang chorba. Napanood niya sa Australian, sa Instagram, kung paano lutuin yung best egg. I forgot the name eh. Daddy, ilagay mo nga dyan pag in-edit mo. Si Gordon Ramsay ba yun? We're gonna have a perfect egg today. Yan. Perfect egg. OMG. Lalagyan natin ng thick cream para mag-stop na siya sa pagluto. Tayo na din ang kalan. The bacon. Lutuin na din yung bacon. Ito, i-video i-grill ko na din. Ulam namin ito mamaya. Pero pwede rin kasi itong breakfast. Para isang lutuan na lang. Okay. Egg muna. Dito, Kurt. Eat ka muna dyan.
Mommy, my phone. Hello.
Guys, ang vitamin. Ito guys, yung vitamins niya, gummies, kaya gusto niya. So, kung may problem kayo sa mga anak niyo, ito wala akong problema kay Nini at Aliyah. Yan ang kumakain nila. Ayan na, perasong bacon. Okay guys, ngayon naman lulutuin ko belly slices. Napainit ko na yung bagong kawali. Bagong lutuan, hindi kawali. Naantay ko pa. 5 pieces. Baka ito na lang din yung diretso lunch ko na. Hindi pa mainit. Ang kapal kasi ng kaldero. Ito na guys, yung niluto ko kanina. So, meron tayong belly pork. Nag-init akong quinoa. Tapos, yan na yung egg. And then, I add avocado. So, that's my brunch. Let's go eat! Mag-gym mga zoobs, sinantay ko na lang si Andy. Si King, actually kasama ko siyang nagpunta dito sa gym dahil from school, dito siya dumediretso every Monday. Meron siyang training. Oh, lamig. Humangin. Gosh. So, inantay ko na lang sila Andy. Susunduin nila ako. And then, if I have a chance to shower muna bago kami siguro magpunta kay La Jen. Because every Monday, in-invite nila kami mag-dinner doon. So, ayan. Sabi niya, magluluto ulit siya ng salpikaw. Doon na ako kakain. Parang, dinner ko na yon. Kahit na actually, 2 o'clock ako nag-brunch. So, yan. Ang sakit ng neck ko. Siguro mali na naman yung tulog ko kagabi. Ang lamig. Bakit ba ako lumabas? Ito na siguro sila. So, advice ko kayo guys kung nasa car na ako. This is a dramatic experience. Dito ako sa labas. Ang lamig. Papasok mo na ako sa loob. Hindi ko kaya. Yee! Ang bilis! Nakaligo na ako mga zoobs. Bale, mga bata nauna na sa kotse and ako yung last na bababa. Kasi nga, gusto ko pag nakapag-vlog ako sa inyo, matahimik at para maintindihan nyo yung mga sinasabi ko. So, everything is ready. Si King hindi nasasama kasi dumiretso na siya ng tennis ngayon. Kakaalis niya lang. Bale, magte-take out naman ako ng food para sa kanya. Tapos, si Jaja susunduin namin. And alam nyo, pares kami ng outfit ni Andy. Pares kaming jacket, pares kaming kulay ng damit. Iba lang yung sapatos. So, ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Outfit check. Basta ginaya niya ako. Di ba, babe? Ginaya mo ako. Anyway, punta na kami doon, mga zoobs. Bye!
Alrighty guys, just finished up at the gym. We had a really good time at Paul and Jen's place. We ate so much food. It was fried chicken, there was oysters, we had some bulalo, some kangkong, ano pa? We had some pork adobo, so ang daming food, but yeah, I just stuck with what was mostly protein. So I had a little bit of the sushi bake, but not too much because I'm not eating carbs. And yeah, at the gym today, I actually decided I'm going back on my word from the other night. I said that I was only going to do 30 minutes of cardio or baka wala talaga. But I decided last night that I will still continue to do my 1 hour, because I really want to get the peak results out of what I'm trying to accomplish from my new program. And I took like a couple of days off, and I thought that it's probably best I continue going the way I'm going, because I've already lost 6.4 kilos, which is great. And yeah, I thought let's just keep doing that 1 hour, because I feel like that's probably most beneficial for me. I did 30 minutes the other day, and then I didn't do cardio the day before that, and the last 3 days I've been at 80 kilos exactly. So I figured that extra 30 minutes, which over 3 days is an extra hour and a half of cardio, really helps me lose those extra pounds. So yeah, going to continue that and continue my diet, which is going really well. And hopefully my aim is, by the time I get to the 30th, or what is it this month, 31 days, I should be down to 78 or 79. We are going out for my birthday, so I probably will indulge a little bit there, and I'm sure I'll probably have a birthday drink or 3, so that will set me back a couple of days, and then I got a couple of days to burn that back off. But yeah, not really in a hurry now, but at least I can see over 30 days how effective my new routine is, and my new diet with my new supplements is over 30 days, minus probably 5 days that I probably won't work out in the month. And then there was probably like 3 or 4 sessions that were a little bit mediocre, but the rest, I'd say 20 days out of the 30 were solid sessions. So yeah, got to get home, stretch it up and relax for a little bit, and try and edit and go to bed early.